Oh, it's recording? Yo, it's your boy Junkie. We're doing a mukbang. Mukbang.
This is going to be trash. Thank you. I'm good.
Homie, why did you mess that up? I'm high as shit right now, so. How was your day?
It's alright.
That's it.
Anyway, Spider-Man, that shit's cool, right? We watched that shit last night. Let me tell you, it sucked ass. No, I'm joking.
Yo, the funny shit was, there was this kid that was behind me, smacking his mouth really loud. I couldn't stop and just hear him go.
I don't think that camera's gonna pick it up.
No, we knew. So,
Yeah.
it was just like that. Oh my god. It was really annoying. That was the only thing that was bothering me. So my experience was just bad.
Okay.
That's just
Shit. I fucking love the movie. Spoilers. 3, 2, 1. They brought back the old Spider-Man.
Yeah.
That is the one shit I was looking forward to, and they did it, and
Yo, I was low-key shocked when I saw the first one.
Tobey Maguire?
Tobey Maguire. That was a shock. I'm not gonna lie.
Shit.
Like, I was not expecting it. As soon as I was in that movie theater watching, I was like, oh, okay. Well, them two, yeah. Then he comes out of nowhere. That was just wow.
It's just, fuck. I don't really know how to describe it, but it was a good ass movie. You motherfuckers better go watch that shit. It deserves
What was
all
your
the
favorite
fucking
part?
money. What was my favorite part?
Yeah.
Ah, shit, there's too many to choose. To be honest, I really thought they had like good chemistry together. Like they basically acted a little bit like brothers, especially when they were just talking back and forth
Yeah.
before the fighting. I like how Andrew Garfield got a redemption. You saw that, remember? He saved MJ.
Well,
You never seen the Amazing Spider-Man movies, have you?
I only seen Electro. I didn't see the Living Man.
Okay. So wait, you know what happens to Andrew Garfield's girlfriend in that movie, right?
She dies.
Yeah, she died. She got a fucking head cracked open like a fucking egg.
Okay, I didn't remember that.
Well, okay, I over-exaggerated a bit, but her head hit the ground pretty fucking hard.
Yeah, got turned into squash. You hear that? It's called maintenance.
It's called hard labor.
It's fucking maintenance.
Don't mind that. It's just our hired Mexican.
What?
You're really trying to break my shit, ain't you? Fucking doing me. You fucking bitch. Hey, no, don't fucking. Oh shit. Bitch.
Bro. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Ow, that actually hurt a bit. Fuck me. Fuck you.
Look at this dude, bro.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god, wait, I fell on the fucking barbecue. Holy shit.
Man.
Fuck your shit, man. I'm out of here. Fuck all that. This idea was stupid. You got some barbecue too right there, you motherfucker.
Fuck you too.